Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change or replace the spoken content pronunciations on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. And then we go down and tap on spoken content. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on pronunciations. And then tap on the add button. In here, you can put in the phrase, so bro, and then substitution. You can use the microphone to speak out the substitution, or you can type it in. Bro.
Bro.
And then you can use that, or you can simply manually type it in, and then you can tap on play.
Bro. Bro. Bro.
And then tap on the back key. In here you can also select a language, so in here you can choose a language, and then tap on the back key. You can choose a voice, and then you can choose ignore case or not and apply to all apps. And then tap on the back key. Now tap on the back key. So from now on, when you see the word bro, it will replace it with bra. Okay, so I can change a different voice. Allison.
Bruh.
And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.